Hi everyone, welcome to Yoga with Coline. I have today a very easy 5-minute stretch for hands and wrists to get some flexibility back into your joints and maybe help with some problems like arthritis if you're suffering from that. If you want to grab a support such as a blanket, a cushion, it can be as well a towel, we're going to place this just below our buttocks and sit on the edge of it, just so you're more comfortable, because we are going to stay in this position for a couple of minutes. So let's start together. We are just going to start with a nice easy warm up for the wrists, which I call the butterfly. So gently rolling the wrists to the outside, and I do like to take this butterfly out to the side. Let's start on the right side together and all the way around to the front, across to the other side, and now we're going to take it up above the head. So gently roll those wrists, take your time, make the circles as large as possible, and then roll them down to the opposite side, back to the center. Let's bring them up at eye level, and we can release and open wide out. Now we're going to point the fingers down like this, and on the inhale we bring the fingers up pointing to the sky. We push on those wrists as if you were pressing down into the walls on either side. Exhale, release. Inhale, push, 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 push away. Exhale, release. Let's keep on doing this for a couple more times so you can follow your own breath. Release on the exhale. Inhale, really push on those wrists towards the outside. Exhale, release. Let's do one last time here. And we can release. We're going to bring those arms back to the center. And again, we're going to interlace the fingers, press the palms up forward. Only this time we're going to release the left hand and gently place it on top of your right hand and bring the fingertips towards you. Gently stretching on the inside of the wrist. And we want to bring that shoulder back again, so it's going to have a tendency to come forward. Bring it back towards the ears. Stay here, see if you can bring the fingertips a bit further and release. We'll do the same thing on the opposite. We'll start by interlacing the fingers, push forward, and then we can place the right hand on top of the left hand. Gently bring the fingers towards the arm, and we want to bring the left shoulder back as far as possible. Let's keep breathing here for one more breath. And we can release. We are going to come up onto our knees, so you can release that support now. Just place it to the side. Come down onto your knees. You can bring the feet together, and we're going to place the hands below the shoulders, but only this time the fingers will be pointing towards the knees. So try to bring them as close to the knees as possible, and make sure those fingers are straight and they're not pointing out to the side, but straight down to the knees. And once we're here, we are going to sit down onto our heels. If this is too strong for you, don't panic, just come back forward, release, breathe here, and come back down for a little bit. Try to work your way into the posture, but we are going to stay here for a couple breaths, because the more we can hold the stretch and the better it will be and the more efficient it will be. Let's keep on breathing for 2 more breaths. If it's too much, come out of the posture. We just have 2 breaths left here. We are going to come back into a sitting position. Feel free to grab your support again. And after this nice deep stretch, we are going to rub our hands together and just load them with energy. Keep them warm. Bring all the warmth and the energy into your hands as you can. And then you can close your eyes and place your hands onto your eyes. Release the energy through the body. Let it warm yourself. You can release the hands here. We're going to bring them into prayer to end our little sequence. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join the live stream every weekday. And also I'm on Instagram, and feel free to send me all your comments and messages. See you next time. Thank you for watching.